If you clicked on this video, then you're in the right place. You must be living either in China as a guest, or you must be curious about the whole topic in general. Well, this video is for you, and without any further mentioning, let's dive in. For those who are hearing Upwork for the first time, Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers not limited to graphic design, writing, and web development. The site helps professionals find projects, communicate with clients, and also handle transactions between those offering the service and the ones in need of the service. Who can register on Upwork? As I mentioned, Upwork is simply a marketplace for freelancers. So as long as you qualify, you and anyone else can register as a seller or as a buyer. You'll be surprised to find unbelievable prices or works that could be overwhelmingly priced by other firms and almost the same or even the same for the similar output. In this era, people from all walks of life travel, live, work in places or countries where they are not citizens. Now in this case, I'm currently in China and I offer my services on Upwork as a freelancer, which many of you could be doing too right now. Thanks to the digital era, people can now live in any part of the world and still be able to work and get paid online. But before you can get your hands on your funds, you need a payment method. A payment method linked to your Upwork account. Since when paid for a job on Upwork, your funds are kept into your Upwork account from where you can then transfer them to either your local bank account or your digital account, like PayPal or Payoneer. Can I withdraw my Upwork funds in China as a non-Chinese? Well, the answer is no. Here's the cap. Now, if you are a non-Chinese living in China, you cannot transfer your funds to your local bank account directly in China. What I mean here by non-Chinese is if you're a foreigner living in China or you do not have a Chinese national ID. And having a national ID, Chinese national ID, you're required to be a Chinese national. Actually, receiving your funds directly in China would be the best option since it has the best withdrawal rates at 0.99 USD per withdrawal, which is a great thing. The other options here are through PayPal or Payoneer, and your account name should be in match to avoid any delays or inconveniences or transfer to your USA local bank account and just keep your funds there. Well, in this case, PayPal was my next option. So I link my PayPal account to my Upwork account, and this takes up to about 3 days to confirm your payment method. Now the funds will be kept there in my PayPal account for the meantime as I figure out how I could transfer my funds to where I am currently. I'll be making a part 2 of this video and tell you how I've managed to deal with the whole issue, getting my funds to where I am. Otherwise, that's it for the video, and thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, hit the subscription button and I'll see you in the next video.